Alright, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Brandon here, back with another video. Today, Kevin's downstairs, Danny's downstairs, Sager's downstairs. We're all heading out to our local Bass Pro Shops we're meeting up with the Bullion Car Club, and we're gonna have a little car meet. It's them plus 804 Meets, which is our local car group. They kinda threw together a little meet, so we're gonna go to that meet and see what's poppin', see what kind of cars are there. I'm expecting a lot of supercars. I know y'all don't really care, but there's also gonna be a lot of Mustangs, a lot of normal cars. So we're gonna go out there, hang around, and see what comes out. So let's go ahead and get it. All right, before we go outside and meet up with everybody, let's piss off Chris in the comments. Put on a fleece jacket, bruh. What's poppin', everybody?
What's up?
Hey, what's going on?
Hey yo, it's 4GT.
I know. Let me see.
Crazy.
I know, bro. Look at that. I can't even see, bro. There you go. You kind of see it. Yeah, Haley said she just met the guy today.
Oh, there you go.
But she doesn't know his name. I was like, bruh.
Come on. All right, I'm not filming the cold start.
Yeah. I'll put the cold start camera on the ground and let it film itself.
Do it, please.
I'm not starting it yet.
Oh my God.
Man, y'all cleaning your cars and shit. It's gonna get dirty on the way there.
I didn't clean mine.
No, I didn't clean mine. Mine hasn't been cleaned since last weekend.
Y'all don't like cars. Oh no.
We don't like cars. He don't like cars.
He don't like cars.
Look at all that carbon fiber.
Oh man, finding new scratches every time I look at it.
Hell yeah.
It happens every time you clean the car.
I do like the silver though. The silver pops.
You got a rip in the back.
The silver with the blue. That's why you got to get the carbon side skirts on there to cover it up.
They're sitting in the garage.
Yeah, they're sitting in my garage right now.
You want to install them real quick?
No.
Not real quick. I'm not drilling holes in the night.
Bro.
You don't have to.
You could drill a hole into that scratch and you never see it again.
Ashland got the 85 station, so I didn't refill anyway.
Bro, I forgot you're on E.
Come on, real quick.
I'm gonna have Kevin doing rolling shots on the way there. Why is it me and all you fucking
roller shots?
marrows? He's wearing jeans
and a jacket.
I know, and pants.
Sager, who are you?
Shoes, pants, and a jacket. Holy crap.
Fucking numbnuts.
Oh, bro.
You know what my back tire's gonna be? It's a 315, 50, 17.
50? Jesus. Oh, you doing
Yeah,
drag radial.
Yeah.
Drag radial. Yeah. Hey man, what are you doing? Bruh. Hopping in the whips, brother.
Look y'all, I got my seatbelt on. I'm ready to go.
It's just part of the way you gotta go. Quiet.
Jeez.
That's just part of it. Guys rolling up, there's some supercars there, and then you have like the muscle car parking area over here, and then lots of space that way. So I'm assuming we're gonna park next to Nikki with a 350.
Next to Nikki. Mine are running worse. Is that park bad too?
No, you're fine.
These spots are like.
We got a smoking C7, man.
Yeah, baby. That don't look that bad. They look good.
And then there's these wheels are kind of nice. I don't know how like the red rim is kind of weird. Got a Gallardo pulling in. Then Danny E63 wagon.
Up next, question mark?
That's all. This is all the hotness right here. Damn. It don't get much better than that.
It's pretty.
Huda. Then Justin's got the Lambo out here. He's got the Huracan. He's got the 570, and then our boy Icy's out here with the manual R8. wide body Gallardo. So it is a bagged Gallardo wide body. Kevin, thoughts? Thoughts?
Pretty nice, pretty
I
nice.
saw this car at Springfest 2 years ago. It was sick.
a while ago.
Next to, I think this is the guy that has the wide body M6 too.
Yeah.
That's his first time seeing the 570.
It's pretty color.
What's called volcanic
Paint my Trans Am.
Yeah, Volcano orange.
Volcano orange.
And this is the gated manual R8. I'd rather have I like the manual in the R8. Look at. I'm waiting for the day that Justin lets me drive this thing. I've been dying for it. This thing too. He's gonna let me drive this too at some point.
Very mint.
Classic Carrera.
So they made a 4S and
What's up?
Good. Just go straight back.
Hey! Hey, what up?
Good.
What up?
What's up, Doc?
I don't know what the hell that
know
was.
what we're doing,
Just
but-
chilling. Cody came out with turbo. Then Evan came out with the twins on his car. Evan helped me. This is the guy that helped me get my manifold straight back in the summer. And then Cody is the OG. You got these two out here. Got a nice, pretty Supra, fast Corvette. They tried to get me to race it. I said, oh hell no. I know what I'm going up against. Over here you got all the Camaros, got Jose and then his group. Down here we have Buster, James. Come over here and we have Uncle Richie out here, Richie the Rich. Got the nice G-Wagon on the big wheels. You got Paul, Evan, Adam, so far R8. Reaper Rally.
Oh wait, yeah. You
Wow. Are you gonna spin it?
That's
Hey, shush.
That's what
We got Chase out here with the RTR drag pack on the carbon hood. Carbon GT350R spoiler on a S197. Then we got Adam out here, Mr. I Smashed Your Girl Last Night. And with his Mustang, Ruby Red 2015. Got a slammed Odyssey, LOL. Then we got Elise's friend. Looks like forged carbon on his GT500 bumper. My bumper's coming soon. We got Taylor's EcoBoost. He's out here with the tow hitch on the back of the Mustang. Pretty clean looking car. We got my mom's car right here. Then we got my car, of course. And then we got Nikki's GT350. She got the 350R spoilers, sponsored by Ford Performance right here. Look at these rear ends. We got a rare find right here. This is a pretty rare find right here. Yo, shut that hell up. It's a shootout. Bro, this is a pretty rare find right here. Huh? Nah, man.
Hello, cousin. What's up, bro?
302 Laguna Sega. We got a Mustang with carbon fiber hood and fenders. A GT100 bumper. I kind of like those fenders.
Gordon put my supercars in.
Oh yeah, Gordon brought out his Shelby.
Oh, it's worth it.
He just picked this thing up a couple weeks ago. Damn, Adam! No. Yeah, damn. Mosey, no. Yeah, Kevin, there was sure a whole lot of noise there.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Bruh.
I'm not the one driving.
Oh, he's right here. Look, he came back.
9K my ass. Hey, and on that bombshell, back to the studio. Alright, y'all, that's gonna wrap up today's video. We just ate at World of Beer. We're all gonna head home now. I'm going to get gas, then meeting up with Derek. So, we'll catch you on the next one. Make sure you drop a like, comment, subscribe if you're new. Follow me on Instagram at Minion50, and we'll see you on the next one. Peace out.